It's a summery day at Construction HQ. What's happening? Mr. Rubble seems very nervous. They're off on holiday to the beach. Hooray! Mr. Rubble was just tricking them. Digley is building a sandcastle. Whoa! Daisy's sandcastle is huge. Digley wishes his sandcastle was that big. Mr. Rubble is happily sunbathing. Oops! Who was that? It's Buster and Scout. They're on holiday too. Digley is finishing off his new sandcastle. That's great, Digley. Daisy asked Buster to help her build an even bigger one. Look out, Mrs. Skip. Oops. Wow! Look at that! Their castle even has a moat. Digley and Scout think they can do better. Wow! That's amazing! Hang on a second. Looks like the tide is coming in. It could ruin their sandcastles. Quick, everyone! They need to work together to build a wall. Mr. Rubble is fast asleep. The tide! Quick! Oh no! Mrs. Skip! Watch out! Phew! They're okay. What an eventful day at the beach.
It's a new day at the construction site. I wonder what they'll build today. Ooh! Mr. Rubble says they're going to build a car wash. Amazing! Everyone's working as a team to build the car wash. Now they just need to add soap. Oh dear! That barrel doesn't look like soap. But Bump hasn't noticed. Here's Mr. Rubble to take a look. Oh dear, he's all dirty. Not to worry, he can get all clean in the new car wash. Oh dear, something's gone wrong. It turned Mr. Rubble green. I don't think he's noticed. They can't let him look in the mirror. Digley's investigating. There's the problem. Bump put paint in the car wash, not soap. They'll need to paint Mr. Rubble back to the right colour. Splosh! Daisy splashed Mr. Rubble with mud. Now he'll need to use the car wash again. In Mr. Rubble goes. Oh no, now Mr. Rubble is blue. Quick! They need to stop him before he looks in the mirror. Splash! Nice work, Daisy. Now he needs to use the car wash again. Digley's putting in another paint can. I hope this is the right colour. Into the car wash Mr. Rubble goes. Phew, he's back to his normal colour at last, and squeaky clean too. Thank goodness. Looking good, Mr. Rubble. Good job, everyone. It's a bright sunny day at the Construction HQ. Aw, Bump hasn't quite woken up yet. He doesn't like mornings. Here are today's plans. They're going to build a pond. How exciting! This'll be so much fun. First, it's up to Digley to dig the hole. Good job, Digley. Next, Bump pushes the dirt away, and Daisy puts some stones around the edge of the pond. Great. Now all that's left is to fill it up with water. Better get out of the way, Digley. Bump's turned on the tap and the water runs through the hose. Daisy doesn't like that stone. Oh no! The stone landed on the hose! Now the water can't get through. Quick! They need to do something. Daisy's got an idea. She's going to hit the stone. Splash! Uh-oh. Now the hose has sprung a leak. The water is spraying everywhere. But Mrs. Skip knows what to do. They can use a band-aid to stick the hole shut. There. Good job, everyone. Now the water can flow again. Mr. Rubble wonders where the water's got to. Oops. Mr. Rubble has ended up in the pond. But that's okay. He thinks it's funny too. Splash! Great work, guys.
It's another busy day at Construction HQ. And Mr. Rubble is in a rush. Oops! Careful! Bump's block tower looks wobbly. What's that sound? Let's go check it out. It's Iggy the ice cream truck. Oh, yum! That looks delicious. The crew are going to grab an ice cream as well. Oh no! CJ accidentally knocked into Bump's block tower, and now it's blocking their way out. How are they going to get an ice cream now? Daisy has an idea. She's built a ramp over the fence. That's very clever. Go on, CJ. She's got to the top. But oh no, it wasn't strong enough. Daisy has another idea. Oh, a seesaw. They can use it to bounce over the fence. Whoa, look at Digley go. They're bouncing really high, but this might not help them get out. Digley is on the case. He's digging a hole so they can get out under the fence. Off he goes! Did he reach the ice cream van? Ah! A lion! This must be the zoo. One last go. They're going to knock the fence down together. Go, go, go! They did it! Well done, everyone. And there's Iggy the ice cream truck. Finally, they can get their ice cream. Yummy! Another? Yay! That was so much fun. But who's that? It's Mr. Rubble. He was off getting ice cream for the gang. Uh-oh. It looks like they've got some cleaning up to do now. I wonder what the construction club will learn today. Oh! I think Mr. Rubble is going to teach them how to make concrete. He's mixing cement, gravel, sand, and a little bit of water. Now they're mixing it up really well. And wow! It sets hard as rock. Now it's their turn. Let's do this! Everyone's helping with adding the ingredients, and CJ is going to mix them together. 1 bag of cement, some gravel, some water. Oops! Careful! Now all that's left is the sand. But that doesn't look like sand. Good mixing, CJ. Oh dear! That looks more like slime than cement. Whoa! Let's try it again. 1 bag of cement, 1 of gravel, and 1 of sand. That's a lot of water, Digley. Go, CJ, go! That looks better. Oh, but it's too splashy. Oh no. Bad luck, Mr. Rubble. 3rd time lucky. Sand, then cement, some gravel, and just a bit of water. Well done, everyone. Now mix, mix, mix. Look out, Mr. Rubble. Oh no, he's stuck. But wait, the concrete is perfect. Well done, crew. They earned their concrete mixing badges for making a perfect batch of concrete. But they might need to help Mr. Rubble out now. What are the construction crew up to today? An obstacle course? That looks like so much fun. Digley is digging a hole. And it looks like Bump is putting a ramp in place. The crew are all lined up and ready to test it out. The first one to get to the finish line gets that shiny trophy. Ready, set, go! CJ's in the lead. She's looking pretty fast. Digley is a bit behind, but he's trying his best. Oh no! CJ has gone face first into the mud pit obstacle and is now stuck in the mud. Now Bump is in the lead. The mud is no problem for his big crawler tracks. Up the ramp, now it's time to cross the narrow bridge. Bump is up first. What was that? A wrecking ball? Oops! Bad luck, Bump. Mrs. Skip is controlling the wrecking ball as another obstacle to get past. Nice dodge, Daisy. You can't beat a wrecking ball with a wrecking ball. Whoa! What knocked CJ over? It's Mr. Rubble. He's using a paint blaster to try and knock them off. Daisy's really good at dodging them. Careful, Digley. Phew, he caught himself on the monkey bars. He might be slow on his crawler tracks, but he's super fast when he's using his strong arm. Digley and Dazey are almost at the finish line. It's so close, they've just got to get down the ramp. Whoa! They crossed the line together. Looks like they both came in first place. Well done, guys. The construction club are going on a trip to the fire station. They're going to make some changes to it. This is how it looks now. And this is how it's going to look after. It's going to be fantastic. First, Daisy is going to help knock the old building down. Nice swing, Daisy. There we go. Good as new. Now, they just need to check everything works, so it's ready for a real emergency. First, let's test the fire alarm. Oops, that's not the right noise. And that's very loud. Mr. Rubble wants them to turn it off. Phew, well at least it's working. Next, they need to test the fire station doors. Looks like they shut perfectly. But oh no, the door isn't opening again. It's stuck. Meanwhile, Digley is going to test the fire hose. Hooray! That works really well. Uh-oh, the tap isn't turning off and the station is flooding. Careful, Daisy. Digley is still trapped inside. What are Daisy and Mr. Rubble going to do now? The water is still rising. This better work. It worked! Out comes all the water. Ashley has turned off the tap. And I think she likes her new home. Mission accomplished. Nice work, team. It's Construction HQ. What's in store today? Those flowers don't look very well. They need some water. Time to save those flowers. Daddy Bus is very worried about his flowers. Not to worry, the gang are here to help. Those flowers really need some water, but the sprinkler is broken. There is no water coming out. What are they going to do? Aha! A water wheel! Maybe this can help somehow. When the water wheel moves, Water comes out of the sprinkler. Keep it moving, Digley. Oopsie! How do they keep the water wheel moving? Daisy is splashing the water. When the water moves, it pushes the wheel. Hooray! Look at all that water! Wait, what? The water has stopped moving. That big pink ball is blocking the slide and stopping the water coming down to move the water wheel. Daisy is going to push the ball down. Uh-oh, the ball is very bouncy. It's Digley's turn. Go on, Digley, you can do it. Daisy is helping. Almost there. Whee! It worked! They did it! The sprinkler is working again. And the flowers are back to life. What brilliant work, team! Time for a reward. Whee! Look at them go! It's Halloween at Construction HQ. And the gang are about to go trick-or-treating. Mr. Rubble is very proud of his costume. Cowboys aren't that scary, Mr. Rubble. It's time to head off. Mr. Rubble is putting Kitten to bed. Night-night, Kitten. What is she up to? The gang are off trick-or-treating. That's a very scary house. Daisy is scared to knock. You can do it, Daisy. The door was open. It's a bit spooky in here. How did that bucket fall over? And what are those footprints? There's a monster in here. And it's under Mr. Rubble's hat. What is it? It was just Kitten all along. This house isn't haunted after all. Oh, Kitten, you're so cheeky. Before they go, it's time to fix that creaky door. Digley is oiling it to stop it from creaking. And the creak is gone. That's much better. Happy Halloween! What are the crew working on today? They're fixing up a school soccer field. Yippee! It's looking a bit overgrown. And the goals are falling apart. Time to get to work. Bump is laying new grass and CJ's painting fresh white lines, whilst Digley and Dazey are fixing the goals. Great teamwork, gang. And it looks good as new. Time to test it out. Mr. Rubble is referee, and it's boys versus girls. Let's play. Digley kicks to Bump, and Bump charges for the goal. Whoa! Steady there, Bump. That was a very big kick. Whoa! Bump really wants to win. Daisy passes to CJ. But Bump tackles CJ to the ground. Oh dear! That wasn't very nice, Bump. He should have been more friendly. Mr. Rubble is given Bump a yellow card. He doesn't look very happy. Digley is in goal. But Bump pushes Digley out the way. Poor Digley. CJ scores. Hooray! It's okay, Bump. It's just a game. Digley passes to Bump, and Bump is about to charge. But Bump realises he's been too rough, and he needs to be kinder. Bump passes, and Digley scores! See? Everything is much better when you play nicely together. It's a beautiful sunny day at the beach. The construction crew are on holiday. Yippee! Digley and Dazey are playing tag. What's that? It's seaweed. And it's given Digley a great idea. They've collected some materials. What are they planning to build? Aha! A beach hut. What a great idea. It's almost complete. But it is missing a roof. Not to worry. Dazey has found a large sheet of metal they can use. Whoa! Steady, Dazey. It's quite tricky to carry. Watch out! Slow down, Dazey! Be careful! Oh no! Dazey is hurt! Amber the ambulance is here to check that Dazey's okay. That was quite a bump. Phew, she's okay. That's much better. They still need to add the roof on. But now Dazey is a bit scared. Digley isn't strong enough to carry it. But if they work together, they can do it. Hooray! Watch out for the seaweed. Dazey didn't give up. And now they've done it. Well done, Dazey. Mr. Rubble and Mrs. Skip are enjoying the shade. Ha ha!
Digley and Dazey are out on the road today, fixing traffic lights, working hard to get it right. It fits with a swing. Come on, Digley, plug it in. Oh no, something's wrong. The lights are out, the power's gone. Digley and Dazey are out on the road today, fixing traffic lights, working hard to get it right. Take a look behind, then we'll see what you can find. Ah, yes, now you see. No time to waste. Follow that lead. Digley and Dazey working on the road today, fixing traffic lights, working hard to get it right. Watch out, sparks and smoke. The big generator's broke. Fix it if you can, but Dazey has a different plan. Use light from the sun. Solar power is the one. Now the job is done. CJ, you can turn them on. Digley and Dazey are out on the road today, fixing traffic lights, working hard to get it right.
Digley is arriving at Construction HQ. The gang are about to find out what they're building today. Wow! Is that a racetrack? Now this is going to be fun. They are placing the winner's podium onto the course. What was that? Now it's complete. Mr. Rubble wants them to test out the course. Daisy is so excited. She's very fast. On your marks, get set, go! They're approaching the first corner and Daisy's in the lead. She's zooming ahead. Watch out, Mr. Rubble. She flies across the ramp. Careful, Bump. This ramp isn't as easy for everyone else. Digley is a bit slower because he's got one track smaller than the other. Daisy doesn't think this race is fair. She spotted some bricks left over from the build. Aha! Looks like she's got an idea. Daisy wants Digley to feel more included. Bump and Daisy have attached some bricks to their tracks to make the race more fun. Now Digley doesn't have to feel left out. Go, go, go! Off they go around the corner. Wow! Everyone is equally fast. They're going up the ramp. Everyone is having so much fun. Around the bend. I wonder who's going to win. They're coming up to the finish line and Bump is the winner! Hooray! What a brilliant race! Well done, everyone. That was great! Races are much more exciting when everyone is included.
Build a course for crazy golf, crazy golf, crazy golf. Build a course for crazy golf with Digley and Daisy. Mr. Rubble gives a try, takes a swing, lets it fly. Ball goes up, then it comes down, it zooms in a loop, spinning round and round. Build a course for crazy golf, crazy golf, crazy golf. Build a course for crazy golf with Digley and Daisy. Digley tries to lend a hand, ball flies out, watch it land. Mr. Rubble, use your skill, it's heading for the big windmill. Build a course for crazy golf, crazy golf, crazy golf. Build a course for crazy golf with Digley and Daisy. It's Digley's turn to take his go. Ball goes high, ball goes low. Pings around, it's lots of fun. Digley got a hole in one. Build a course for crazy golf, crazy golf, crazy golf. Build a course for crazy golf with Digley and Daisy.
The crew are arriving at Construction HQ. I wonder what's in store today. Wow, they're painting a rainbow building. This is going to be a lot of fun. Look at all those colourful paints. Time to get started. It's purple first. Digley and Daisy are on two platforms that are connected. Daisy is starting with red at the top. She's lowering down her platform. But oops, it's made Digley go up. That's not right. Digley lowers his platform again. But that has lifted Daisy's up. Oh dear, this isn't going to plan. Whoa! Watch out, Mr. Rubble. Mr. Rubble is covered in paint. Daisy looks determined to fix this. Up she goes, but that sends Digley down again. Look out! Oh dear. This is getting very messy. How are Digley and Dazey going to fix this? Oh, Digley has realised that they're both connected and they need to work together as a team. That's much better. Great job, guys. Wow, that building looks amazing. What a great day's work. Uh-oh. Look out for that paint, Mr. Rubble. Not again. It's a windy day at Construction HQ. That's a cool windmill, Dazey. And today, they're going to be building a wind turbine. Awesome! They need to attach a propeller to the pole at the top of that hill. Daisy's carrying the propeller up, but it's a bit windy. Whoa! Be careful! Oh dear! The wind blew her straight off the hill. But Bump will help Daisy get back up. Phew, the propeller is okay. Digley and Dazey are trying again. Digley is helping this time. Mr. Rubble isn't happy about all this mess. Time for Bump to get to work. The wind is back, but Bump has noticed that the windsock flies whenever it's windy. Digley and Dazey are being blown down the hill again. The wind is back, and Bump is signalling to tell them to stop carrying the propeller. Looks like it worked. Now it's stopped, they can carry on. Go, go, go! Stop! What brilliant teamwork! Hooray! They made it to the top of the hill. Whoa! That was a close one. Now it's time to attach it to the pole. It worked! Great job, team! And look! It's powering the city's lights. How amazing! It was definitely worth all that work. It's a boiling hot day at Construction HQ, and the gang are very hot and bothered. But there's no time to rest. They've got a busy day ahead. What's Dazey spotted outside? Oh no! It's a fire! And it set off the fire alarm! Here comes Ashley the fire truck. Can she put the fire out? Sure she can. Phew! Hooray for Ashley! And off she goes to help some more people across town. Bye, Ashley! Thank you! Oh no! Another fire started. And there goes the alarm! It's even bigger this time! Where's Ashley the fire truck? Oh no! Don't worry, Digley has a plan. He's filling up his digger with water. He's trying to put out the fire. Good idea, Digley. Mr. Rubble wants to help too. Whoops! Be careful, CJ. CJ has loaded up her cement mixer with water. Watch your water on the floor, Mr. Rubble. Whoops! Oh no! The fire is spreading towards the building. What are they going to do? Daisy's got a plan. She She knocked the tower into the wood and stopped the fire spreading. Hooray for Daisy! Splash! The fire is all gone. And here's Ashley. Don't worry, Ashley. The fire is out. Even if they did make a bit of a mess. It's a sunny day at Construction HQ. Look, Kitten is riding on Mr. Rubble's head. Today, they are demolishing an old factory. The crew are removing the bricks from the building, throwing them down the chute to be collected by Mrs. Skip. What's wrong? Oh dear, it's Kitten. They need to get her out of trouble. It could be dangerous. Aha! Digley's got a plan. She can play with this ball of string. Yay! She loves her new toy. Now the crew can get back to work. Oops! She's tangled up in the ball of string, and now she's rolling around out of control. Watch out, Mr. Rubble! Oh dear! Quick, Daisy! Kitten is going to roll off the edge. Be careful, everyone! Oops! Now she's bouncing around. Great catch, Digley. Oops! Oh no! She's heading for the chute. Quick! She's rolling down the chute. Digley and Dazey couldn't get there in time. Here she comes. The wall has turned into a parachute. Quick, Mr. Rubble, catch her. Phew, she has landed safe and sound. Well done, Mr. Rubble. What a crazy day.
Ooh, Digley has a new book. Everyone wants to see. It's all about dinosaurs. But Mr. Rubble is waiting. It's time to start work. Today they're building a roundabout. Soon everyone is hard at work. Digley just wants to read his book. But now isn't the time. There's work to do. Wait, what's Digley found? It looks like some old bones. I wonder what they are. Daisy's collecting them up. There are so many. Oh, I think they're dinosaur bones. Now they just need to put them together like a jigsaw puzzle. Everyone is helping put the dinosaur bones together. Done. That doesn't look right. Oh dear, they'll have to try again. What about now? Nope, that's not right either. But wait, on the front cover, that's it. It's a T-Rex skeleton. Now they know what it is, they can put it together properly. Nice work, everyone. Now it can stand in the middle of the roundabout. The whole construction crew are getting ready for today's job. They're building that crumbly old building. That can't be right. Oh, they're demolishing the building. Daisy is so excited. Soon enough, it's time to get to work. The building looks like it could fall down any moment. It'll be safer to knock it down. Everyone is ready to get started. But wait! Stop, everyone! There's a little kitten beside it. Oh no! The kitten could get hurt if they knock it down now. Phew! Digley stopped them just in time. They need to get the kitten out of harm's way. She's so cute. Ooh, I think Mr. Rubble's afraid of cats. The kitten ran back inside. Oh dear, they can't knock down the building with the kitten inside. Digley's trying to get her to come out with some milk. Dazey wants to pet the kitten, but Digley thinks that'll frighten her. Oh no, Dazey accidentally hit the building. I think it's going to collapse, but the cat is still inside. What will they do? Maybe Mr. Rubble can help, but he'll have to face his fear of cats. Mr. Rubble is small enough to fit inside. Phew! Mr. Rubble saved the kitten, and just in time. That was a close one. Mr. Rubble was very brave to rescue the kitten. I think he's got over his fear of cats now. He's made a friend. Look. Today the construction crew are going to build a canal. That will be great fun. First they need to dig a trench for the water. Bump and CJ want to help, but looks like Digley and Dazey have it covered. Maybe they don't need Bump and CJ. In no time at all, the trench is dug. Good job, everyone. Daisy's ready. And smash. Here comes the water. It'll reach Digley and Mr. Rubble any second. Any second. Where is it? There must be a blockage somewhere. Digley's taking a look. Look, it's spilling out over there. Quick, Dazey needs to fix it. Oh dear, how will they plug this gap? CJ, of course. She can use her cement to fix the leak. Good job, everyone. But now look, that rock is blocking the canal. That rock is too heavy for Dazey to move. But here comes Bump. He can move that. Hooray! Good work. There, at last the water has filled up the canal. They couldn't have done it without CJ and Bump's help. Good teamwork. It's another windy day at Construction HQ. That wind really is blowing today. But today they're building a bigger enclosure for the sheep at the farm. Oh dear. The old sheep enclosure is far too small. Good job they're building a new one. That wind really is cold. And whoa, strong as well. But wait, what's Digley seeing? Look, it's an old farm windmill, but it's wobbling all over the place in the wind. I think it's going to collapse. They have to stop it falling onto the sheep. Phew. Good job, Dazey. Now it's falling towards the pigs. Uh-oh, look out. Phew, Dazey saved it again. Now it's falling back towards the sheep again. Oh dear. This is no good at all. What are they going to do? Wait, I think Digley has an idea. Digley's climbed up on a box. He's taken the wheel off the top. Ah, he's taking the old tower apart from the top down, so it can't fall over and hurt anyone. In no time at all, they've taken the tower apart. Now what can they do with all these planks of wood? They can recycle all the old planks from the tower and use them to build a bigger pen for the sheep. It's always good to build something new out of something old, instead of throwing things away. There, now the sheep have a much bigger place to play. Good job, everyone. It's still a bit windy. Uh-oh, Mr. Rubble's hat. One of the sheep has it. Now he's got to get it.
It's another sunny day at Construction HQ. I wonder what they're building today. Oh, nice. A barn. This looks like a good spot to start building. First, they need to lay these planks down. Haha! Nice one, Bump. But what's this? A bunny? Oh no! They're building the barn all over the bunny's home, but I don't think the crew have noticed. The bunnies are definitely not happy. What are they going to do? This bunny has jumped up onto the bricks. What is she doing? She's trying to take one of the bricks. Oh, here comes Bump. I don't think he noticed the bunny. Now Dazey has put some pipes down. And that bunny has pushed them over. And now the bunny has taken that pipe. What are they up to? Now Digley is laying out his tools. But one of the bunnies is moving his hammer. And now they're moving his screwdriver too. Digley doesn't get it. Where did his tools go? The whole construction crew are very confused. How do things keep going missing? It's such a mystery. Wait! Now they know the bunnies are the ones moving everything. But why? Oh! They've moved everything into another field. They want the crew to build the barn over there instead, so it's not on top of their rabbit holes. Now Dazey gets it. Now the crew have moved all the building materials into the other field, just like the bunnies wanted. In no time at all, the barn is all finished, all good in the new field. The bunnies are so happy. Well done, team.
It's a very windy day at Construction HQ. I wonder what they'll be building today. Oh wow, a towpath for the canal. That looks amazing. To build a towpath, they'll need paving slabs. Here comes Rocky the riverboat to deliver them. Ooh, it is windy today. Rocky loves to listen to music on his big headphones. There, now to unload the slabs. Gently there. Thanks, Rocky. Now the crew can get to work on the towpath. But the wind is picking up. Oh no, Mr. Rubble's hat. It's landed on the back of Rocky. Not to worry. Mrs. Skip can get it. She's even trying it on. Oh no, Rocky is sailing on. But he doesn't realise Mrs. Skip is still on the back. Come back, Rocky. He can't hear them because of his big headphones. What's Mrs. Skip going to do? She can't get carried off down the river. Who knows where she'll end up? They have to get Rocky's attention somehow. Watch where you're going, Mr. Rubble. Oops, Mr. Rubble hit a box. Digley is racing ahead to try and stop Rocky. Maybe he can get his attention with this ball. Good thing Mrs. Skip has the helmet. What's Dazey up to? She's brought the stack of slabs. I wonder what her plan is. She's hopping up on top. Hooray! She saved Mrs. Skip. She's back on dry land, safe and sound. Phew. Later on, and the towpath is almost finished. Rocky is drifting past again, still listening to his music. He never knew anything was wrong.
It's a brand new day at Construction HQ. All the vehicles are excited to get to work. I wonder what they're building today. Whoa! A pancake shack! Oh dear. Digley doesn't look his usual happy self. I wonder what's wrong. Oh no! Digley is sick! He can't work today. He'll have to stay home. Time to start work. The first thing to do is dig the foundations. But without Digley, how will they dig? That's not working at all. Daisy can't dig the way Digley does. Maybe this drill will help. Oops! Mud is going everywhere, and Daisy can't keep the drill still. This isn't working either. Oh dear, oh dear. Digley is watching from HQ. He really wants to help, but he's still feeling sick. Here's Mrs. Skip with some medicine. That should help. Back on the building site, they still haven't dug the foundations. Oh dear. Splat! Wait, this plank of wood throws dirt into the air, like a spade. Maybe they can use this to dig the foundations. Yes, it works! Good work, Daisy. She's found a way to dig in her own way, in no time at all. There, the pancake shack is finished. Aww, Daisy has brought some pancakes to Digley to make him feel better. What a good friend. Delicious.